Welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Performing and Visual Arts, SOPVA. Diploma in Theatre Arts, DTH. T005 Manual of Classroom Play Production. Play 4 Choro Ki Gadi. Cast, Gopal, Charulata, Chakradhar, Sita Ram, Jagannath, Amar, Gopal, Fire, 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 House is on fire, call the landlord, Fire. Fire. Chakradhar, what, where is the fire? Array, did you extinguish it? Not, why are you guys so reckless? Charulata, oh, you heard him, there is no fire, he has somnoliquy. Disorder, mumbles in the sleep. Chakradhar, mumbles, just like that, I got so scared, since when he is in this condition? Charulata, oh, leave it, ever since I got married I have seen him in the same condition, screaming, shouting, singing, mumbling. Chakradhar, who opened that door? Charulata, opened it was like. Chakradhar, I just got so scared by his screams that I broke the door and came in. Now, who will bear the damages? Charulata, hope you are not hurt? Chakradhar, I fell, of course I am hurt, give me a hand, did they? Kitchen tap dripped last night. Charulata, be careful. Chakradhar, yeah, what's the hurry? When she was alive, your mammy, it rained all the time in the kitchen. Charulata, so, the kitchen was in the same condition that time also? Chakradhar, yeah, I am in a habit of sleeping in the kitchen, why me? Everybody in our family sleeps in the kitchen, my family loves it, but she didn't like it, that is why there was always a conflict. That night, when her sari caught the flames, and she died, on that day I fell asleep in the kitchen reading. Femina, she went to burn incense sticks in the bedroom. And just, Charulata, oh, don't worry, whatever happened it was supposed to happen. One who leaves never comes back, she was lucky. She died in your arms. Chakradhar, you mean Sumangali. You know, it's been a year but seems that this incident happened yesterday. Whenever I come here, I miss her, exactly there, where you are standing. She used to speak to me so lovingly. Gopal, Charu, where are you? Come quickly. Chakradhar, Charu, this is how he calls you. Very bad. Charulata, what to say, this is his style when he wakes up he calls me Charu, when he goes to office Charu I'm going. Office, close the door when he comes back from the office. He calls me Charu, Chao darling. Chakradhar, really, I never used to call your mammy in this manner. By the way her name was Nirmala but I used to call her Nimbu, and she used to call me Chakri. Gopal, who is that donkey you are talking to? I am calling you. Charulata, seems he is fully awake now. Chakradhar, I don't know what happens to me when I come here, I just get completely lost, I don't feel like going back. But, what to do, have rented this house, can't come here again. And again, you are sensible exactly like my Nimbu. Gopal, calling you for so long, you don't even reply. Chakradhar, what is this? His eyes are closed, is it also a style? Charulata, he has lot of problems. You want to see the kitchen? Chakradhar, it's alright. I will just leave once I see the tulsi plant. Gopal, you have never seen tulsi plant in your life? Chakradhar, you think I haven't? When my Nimbu was alive, she used to dry her hair sitting by her side. Whenever I see it, it feels as if I'm seeing her. I miss her. Charulata, you go, please don't mind. Gopal, yes, of course. Chakradhar ji, there is a toilet on that side. Go there too, you will miss something else. Chakradhar, don't know, hope I'm not bothering you. Goes inside. Gopal, why did you let this criminal enter our house in the morning? Wicked wretch. Charulata, I allowed him. You were mumbling fire in your sleep. So he came. Gopal, you mean to say I can't even mumble in my sleep? Charulata, shush, speak softly, he will listen. Gopal, so let him listen, we are paying rent, in cash on the first. Always keep trespassing into the house on some pretext. I miss her, today I will resolve the matter, let him come. Now, Charu, why do you get angry? When he gave the house, he told us everything. Gopal, what? My Nimbu, every now and then he shows up. Charu, that when he comes his feelings get crumbled. Gopal, today I will break his legs, let him come, we will vacate this house. Charulata, 1 minute, after marriage, in all these 6 years, we have changed the house 36 times. Now I can't go out to find a house, so you will not say anything to uncle. Gopal, uncle, Chakram Chakri uncle, no need to give him so much respect. He killed his wife, burnt her, he comes here and do drama, let him come. Charulata, let him kill, she was his wife, killed with his hands, how does it matter to you? Gopal, you mean anyone can kill his wife? Charulata, think before you speak. Array, it's husband and wife relationship, whether wife kills husband or husband kills his wife, it's their mutual understanding, don't say anything. Gopal, okay, let him kill, I have no objection, but I cannot see this wretch appearing here in the morning. Don't know what will happen today. Charulata, nothing will happen, it's a office time, go get ready. Gopal, I'm sure something will happen, definitely. Charulata, he is coming, don't not say anything. Gopal, so should I wish that criminal? I can't do this, if not this house then. Charulata, do whatever you want, but this time if I talk about vacating this house, I will go to my father's house. Gopal, yes, and your father will come here. I know his character. Charulata, do not say anything to my father in the morning. Anyway, his health also is not good these days. Chakradhar, Charulata, you did not give water to Tulsi, you take a bath twice a day. If you give 1 jug of water, then what will go wrong? My Nimbu, how much she cared for her. Gopal, why are you getting so angry? Why a jug? We will pour the whole drum full of water. Charulata, no, I was talking about my father, so he became angry. He says that when my father used to work, he used to take bribes. Now tell me who does not take bribe nowadays. Gopal, ass, stupid, wretch, criminal. Chakradhar, listen, he is talking about your father. Charulata, yes, even after so many years of marriage, yet he asks for money from my father, if they have given a daughter, so you will ask for money whenever you want? Chakradhar, you can say whatever, but here I will support Gopal. He is son-in-law, whenever he will demand, father-in-law have to give. What is son-in-law? Daughter's husband. Who is son-in-law? Straightway husband of daughter. Gopal, absolutely right. I am an educated, responsible and honest person. That is why I tolerate, otherwise if someone else was there, he would have strangled, put kerosene and burnt his wife. Chakradhar, okay, I will water the tulsi plant. Gopal, did you see? He is disease number 1. He is the crook who killed his wife for money and makes up false stories. Charulata, forget it, I'll make tea for you. Gopal, let this Chakram go. Haven't Hawker delivered newspaper yet? Charulata, if he would have delivered, wouldn't you have seen it? Will I keep in the locker? Gopal, amazing, everyone from wife to the hawker, suddenly the newspaper falls on him. Hey, don't you have etiquettes? Chakradhar, you wait, I will check. That's why my Nimbu always said that never take a newspaper. Gopal, this man. Gopal throws the newspaper out of the door, and newspaper comes back. Chakradhar throws the newspaper out of the door, again it comes back. Satyanand, father of Charulata, gets hit by a newspaper at the entrance. Satyananda, what is your intention? I didn't know that you welcome your guests like this. Whoever comes to your house, you hit him like this. Today I have come, tomorrow if someone else comes, what will he think about your health? Gopal, what do you mean? It was you. You threw it from outside? Satyanand, what do you mean? It wasn't you who threw it from inside? Gopal, yes, he also did bowling couple of times in between. Chakradhar, how do I know? I thought he was a newspaper boy. Satyananda, who is this gentleman? Gopal, he. Satyananda, you do some work or? Chakradhar, before you say anything else, let me tell you, I am the owner of this house. Your daughter calls me Chakram. Uncle. Charulata, Papa, when did you come? How is your health? Satyananda, don't ask. How are you? You have become so thin. Like a thorn. But his weight has increased. Gopal, it seems, but I have been feeling weak lately. That tea was for me, isn't it? Satyanand, you should not drink tea, go take rest. Chakradhar, communication gap, same with my Nimbu, she could never understand the matter. Satyananda, Nimbu, who is she? Chakradhar, before you say anything else, Nimbu was my wife. Full name Mrs. Nirmala Chakradhar. Charulata, poor lady, just recently left. Gopal, no, recently he sent her. Chakradhar, look Gopal, this is not a good thing. I will get angry, I will kill my wife. If someone listens, what will they say? I killed my wife, you know how much I love her, I come here again and again in the memory of her, I'm feeling so bad. Charulata, you know his habits. How he talks, please don't mind. Chakradhar, yes, I know about Gopal, but you also don't mind. The kitchen's tap is leaking, I'll bring the washer tomorrow. Exits. Charulata, Papa, your health is not good, you take rest. Satyananda, I am done, doctor has said that my heart is weak, now. How many days I will live, it is in your hands. Charulata, in our hands? Satyanand, heart specialist of our village has given this letter after doing my checkup. It took 2 whole days. He said that, Satyanand, always keep this letter in your pocket, then there is no danger. If you meet new people, then you must show this letter. Gives letter. Sir, the name of the person who surrendered this letter is Satyananda, Putra. Nityananda 1008, Amrud Wali Gali, near Post Office, Banaras, Uttar Pradesh. His father was my best friend. I have no hesitation in saying that he is Pandit's son. Gives letter to Charulata. Charulata, Papa, this language is very heavy. Satyanand, English is a language. Charulata, Satyanand visited me on Ashtami 17 to 20, Mriga Sirus. Nakshatra 21 to 15. With a problem related to heart, serving the patients is my religion, so I myself did a thorough examination. Surprisingly, I didn't find anything in the first test, so I did another test again and came to the conclusion that his heart is in a very bad state. This is true. His heart is deteriorating due to the lack of blood flow. It has dried out and gone out of its place. It is not in a condition to function properly. With the grace of God, he is alive. This is my final conclusion. Satyananda, it is very important. Listen Gopal. Gopal, yes, I am listening. Charulata, keeping in view the above reasons and situation, please follow the following rules. Extreme anger, enthusiasm, movement is poisoned for him, so everyone should talk to him softly. With your support, there is a possibility that he may survive for few more years. Yours faithfully, Vedraj Charak Churn Shastri, 80 Ghat, Banaras, Uttar Pradesh. Phone No Satyanand, now you must have understood Gopal. Whatever 9 to 2, 11 months I stay here, whatever you want to tell me, please. Tell me softly. Gopal, you mean to say that if I have to inform you about someone's death, I have to laugh? Satyanand, what else? You are so intelligent, let's try it once. Gopal, okay, for example. Charulata, wait, tell me first, what are you going to say? Satyanand, yes, do rehearsals. Gopal, no, direct. Yes Papa, you know that Chakram uncle who just left, burnt his wife, putting 5 liters of kerosene. Satyanand, what? He killed his wife? Charulata, no, Papa, nothing like that. Petty quarrel happened between husband and wife. Now he is a husband, so he will be angry. Husband has to burn her, so he put kerosene. When she got wet, he took out the matchbox. Then he asked her, can I light it up? She said yes, and he lit it. She got burnt. That's it. Charulata, leave all this. Papas will stay here. Satyanand, the 9th of February 11. Charulata, will you go to the office? You are getting late. Gopal, with whom will I talk to? Laughing is not allowed in our office. Satyanand, Charu, this Chakram uncle literally burnt his wife? Charulata, let it be. It doesn't matter. Your health is not good. This is common in this country. Every day someone or the other kills his wife. You came here without informing us. Do you have some important work? Satyanand, no, not for work. It is a long story. The day before yesterday, An officer came to our head office for checking. For 2 days, he was after our lives, and when he was going back, I thought that I should see him off at the station. When I reached the station with his luggage, he was eating a banana. I started mounting the luggage and didn't know that train started moving, so he said, "Don't worry, the engine is getting attached." But before I could realize, the train started running fast, and I came here with his luggage. Charu, you are here. Mother knows about this? Satyanand, I don't know. Tell Gopal to drop a telegram of 2 lines. Father-in-law arrived safely, happy. Don't worry, that's all. Gopal, father-in-law arrived safely, happy. Don't worry, that's all. Who did you just called happy? Us? Satyanand, for myself. Gopal, yes, if you are here, how can we be happy? Worry. Arrived safely. Satyanand, no, do as I said, now I am feeling tired. Charulata, come, Papa, please relax. Satyanand, don't forget the telegram. Gopal exits. Chakradhar enters. Gopal, you are again missing Nimbu? Chakradhar, when did I forget? Kitchen tap is leaking. I have brought the washer. What is the program of your father-in-law? Gopal, array, I don't know. Charu, how long your father? Chakradhar, oh wait, I was asking just like that. Gopal, Charu, Chakram uncle has one doubt. Chakradhar, I don't have any doubt. I brought this washer, goes inside. Charulata, what did you say to uncle? See how nervous he is? Gopal, tell me, how many days will your father stay? Charulata, how do I know? I think he will rest here for few days. Gopal, his condition is critical. That is why I am asking. There is no surety with heart patients, they just leave randomly, and this house we are living is on rent. Charulata, will you keep quiet? Gopal, okay, I will sit quietly. But his heart disease is for real or a story? Charulata, my father is not like that. I have read the letter from the doctor in front of you, but you will not believe? Gopal, I believe. The letter is written by your mother? Charulata, you unnecessarily doubting, go and give a telegram. Gopal, bring my wallet. Charulata exits. Jagannath Hay is a journalist, he enters. Gopal, yes, who are you? Jagannath, my name Jagannath, I am journalist, you must have read the Searchlight newspaper, I work for them. Gopal, yes, I know, it is sold at the traffic signal. Jagannath, yes, same, you recognized. Well, nowadays our circulation has reduced. Gopal, oh, so you want me to buy your newspaper? Sorry, father-in-law has come, our budget has been reduced. Jagannath, no sir, you don't need to buy, just need a little cooperation, and lifetime free Searchlight. Gopal, free, okay, what do I need to do? Jagannath, sir, yesterday my MD called me and gave me an ultimatum that my reporting is not good. If you want to continue working here, bring sensational news, chilling, thrilling news. Gopal, I have a wife and a sick father-in-law. What is sensational in this? Jagannath, your landlord, Chakradhar, is it true that he burnt his wife and killed her? Gopal, good, which one? Jagannath, you know a lot, give me the full information instantly. My newspaper circulation will increase. Gopal, Chakradhar murdered his wife. How did you know that? Jagannath, everyone in the city knows, it is an open secret. Gopal, how did he kill? When? Why? Jagannath, sir, only you can answer these questions. Gopal, but my name. Jagannath, zipping lips gesture. Gopal, his. Jagannath, in bold headlines. Gopal, Chakram Bhai, now you are trapped. I was waiting for this moment. Jagannath, sir, I am weak in English, explain in simple language. Gopal, I will explain. Jagannath, where is he? Chakram from? Gopal, from Meerut. Charulata, listen, bring a magazine for Papa. Who is he? Gopal, he is Jagannath, she is my wife Charulata. Jagannath, namaste madam. Gopal, Chakradhar is basically from Meerut, he belonged to very well-to-do family. Wealthy, rich but top-ranked. Scrooge, he may have. Jagannath, done 2 marriages? Gopal, yes. Jagannath, 2. He killed the first wife too? Gopal, yes, maybe. Jagannath, very interesting, sir. Charulata, listen. Gopal, Charulata, I am in the press meet. Don't disturb me. Charulata, come here for a minute. I need to talk. Gopal, told you, after some time. Charulata, Chakram uncle is putting washer in the kitchen and you are talking nonsense about him. What if he listens? Gopal, there will be a wonderful article about Chakram uncle in paper. Charulata, shut up, we will have to vacate this house. Jagannath, look madam, you don't worry, your name will not come anywhere. Sir, what was the name of his first wife? Gopal, his name, was, yes Charumti. Charulata, listen, Jagannath, she wants to say something. Gopal, I am in the press conference. Charulata, lend me your ears and listen to me. Now, I'm not going to find a house. 36th time, rest as you wish. Gopal, okay, I will find it. Now you don't interfere. Charulata, array, what do we have to do with all this? Somebody killed his wife, someone else is asking about him and you are giving running commentary, as if you were there. Chakram uncle has killed his wife. Do you have any evidence? Gopal, yes there is, his criminal face. Don't worry, I have lot of material. File is ready in single line order. Jagannath, give me that file. Gopal, yes, why not? Charulata, now you utter a single word and you will see my dead face. Gopal, Charu, listen, there is injustice done to a woman. It is our duty to expose the truth. Charulata, then why just about women? Injustice, duty, talk about something else. Talk about 2 grams scam, Anna Hazare, Baba Ramdev, don't talk about Chakram uncle. I like this house. We get drinking water from this kitchen. Gopal, listen to me. Charulata, you will not stop. I know, wait. I will call Papa. Satyananda, coming. Jagannath, your father-in-law is coming. What will happen to my story? Shall I look for another job? Gopal, will you give up so easily? You are a press personnel. You can create news without news. Suppose if Chakram uncles marries 3rd time, he will kill her too, then you can cover that news. Jagannath, shall I go and find the girl? Chakradhar, did someone call? Gopal, the hero of our story. Chakradhar, me? Hero? Are you kidding? Who is this guy? Charulata, he is Jagannath, my uncle's boy, his brother-in-law. Chakradhar, you also joke, if he is your brother, of course he is his brother-in-law. What does it do? Gopal, nothing, goes house to house, collects junk. He is a scrap dealer. Chakradhar, junk or Satyanad. Charu beta, you call me, have you sent the telegram? Gopal, Chakradhar, what is the need of telegram? The kid is already here. Satyanad, who has come? Where? Chakradhar, him, standing there. Satyanad, oh, you, who is he? Charulata, Papa. Chakradhar, you are also of my type. Gopal, right Jagannath, you will not get such news anywhere. Chakradhar, he is not your child? Satyanad, oh, Charulata, Papa, Chacha from Banda, remember Chacha Batuknath. His son Jagan. Satyanad, yes. Charulata, poor kid, reached here asking address here and there. Satyanad, oh, yes, he used to eat mud in childhood. Gopal, still eating the same. Jagannath, couldn't finish the work, but ended up having relatives. Chakradhar, Charulata, I have fixed the tap. There will be no trouble, I am going, and yes, don't forget to pour water. Tulsi, if my Nimbu was here, she would have felt very happy to see you all. Satyanad, Jagan, your mother is with whom nowadays? Your name is Jagan, isn't it? Jagannath, mother, she is with father. Satyanad, Ram, she is a very good woman, good. You had one brother too, who ran away in childhood? Gopal, he is in foreign nowadays, you go and relax. Jagan, you too. Charulata, and don't come back again. Satyanad, Ari, how are you talking? He is your Chacha's boy. Nowadays there is no harmony left in the relationships. You don't mind. Okay, what is your name? I am here for 11 months to come here, whenever you are free. Charu, beta, I am feeling pain in my chest. Charulata, pain? Gopal, please hold on. There is no ice shop nearby, just. breathe, but in the installation. Jagannath, sir, come here for a minute, I have little overwhelmed. But I'm bit optimistic now, Tau I will come again. Satyanand, what are you talking about? I will come again, optimistic. Feels like gone over his mama. Charulata, leave it now, listen, give the telegram. Gopal, I'm going, today you have messed up everything. The story of Chakram would have appeared in bold headlines, missed a good chance. Charulata, how is it going to benefit us? What would we get if someone's photo or story gets published? Gopal, Arey Charu, how naive are you? What would you do without me? Charulata, don't worry about me. Think of my father. Chakradhar enters. Chakradhar, Gopal, Gopal. Gopal, oh ho, I will water the tulsi, do not take entries again and again. Chakradhar, hey, leave the entry exit. Do you know Tiger, Sitaram? Charulata, Sitaram, does he work in the circus? Chakradhar, you also joke. He is the punk of our street. Scoundrel, loafer, you don't know? 10 days back he went to a have pan, the shopkeeper delayed a bit, so he stabbed the shopkeeper. Charulata, oh, that, the day before yesterday, he was standing outside our house, hell drunk, he was asking for pickle. Gopal, so you gave it? Charulata, no, I was scared, I slammed the door. Chakradhar, yes, he took it too seriously, he is standing in front of the house. Charulata, for pickles? Gopal, what are you talking? Today he will have lunch? Chakradhar, Gopal, you take everything so lightly. Sitaram enters with his gang. Sitaram, to Charulata, come here beta, have this prasad. Chakradhar, don't eat that, not even by mistake, it might be poisoned. Sitaram, just shut up. I don't need poison, knife in a hand, bullet on my heart. You know me who I am? Gopal, who doesn't know you? You are Sitaram Tiger. Chakradhar, array, you're the same guy who stabbed the pan shopkeeper. Sitaram, Om, don't remind me. Once the work is done I forget it. Gopal, so Sitaramji, you have just come to give prasad? Chakradhar, the same thing will happen, those who murder they do worship also. Gopal, how do I know? I have never murdered. Sitaram, murder, poison, good things never comes out of your mouth. Everyone took the prasad but you didn't. What is your name? Chakradhar, to Gopal, he is asking you. Gopal, my name is Gopal, this is my wife Charulata, he is a landlord. Sitaram, oh, forget him, he is the wrong man. How much salary do you draw? Gopal, around 10 to 12,000. Sitaram, Om, that's it, 10 by 30 20ths 40 to 70, 10 to 10 is fine. Give 1,000. Gopal, me 1,000? I have to give? Chakradhar, yes, you have to give. It is very reasonable. Gopal, 1,000? To buy a knife or pistol? Charulata, okay, how to manage 1,000, we are having so many problems already. Chakradhar, array, if Tiger, Sitaram is asking, then you have to give. Problems will come and go, but you will have to pay money. Gopal, okay, if you are insisting so much, then you give 1,000 rupees now and I will add it to the next month's rent. Chakradhar, I don't even have a single penny, I have not gone out for 2 days. Sitaram, Om, what is your name? Chakradhar, mine? Chakradhar, Sitaram, whatever it is, your salary? Chakradhar, I do not have a job. Gopal, this house belongs to him. There are 4-5 more, above. All a land too and no expenditures. Donate a knife or katta. In the name of Nimbu. Charulata, this is not funny. Chakradhar, nowadays a lot of fun is going on. Mind yours and mine. Age. Sitaram, listen, old man. What happened to my money? Chakradhar, you are forgetting you have to take money from them. Sitaram, asked from anyone. Anyone can give, for me, you are all one family. Gopal, did you hear that? We are family. You must give 1,000 rupees. Everyone discusses. Sitaram, I am giving you 2 minutes to decide. I have to go. Gopal, to murder? Sitaram, Om, no. Gopal, for the land work? Sitaram, do I need to tell you? Gopal, rape? Sitaram, you are all educated people. Burglary, robbery, is that the way to talk? I have to go to the cowshed, help the blind people cross the road, I have to give donations to the temples, then I will go home and cook. The whole 40 days. Program. Gopal, oh, wow, you must do all these good things with your own money. You will not gain merits if you use others' money. Charulata, it means, we have to give money for 40 days in a row? Sitaram, no, I will collect money from one family every day. You are lucky that I am starting from you. Chakradhar, it means 40 days program? Will you follow the rituals? Sitaram, absolutely. He got it right. For 40 days no bloodshed. No mutton, chicken, no boozing. No nothing. I will only worship. The Pandit has said that if I will follow this program, I will win in the coming elections. Gopal, so, you will not raise your hands for 40 days. Sitaram, no, not at all. Gopal, if someone makes you angry? Sitaram, no. Gopal, if not hands, then knife, pistol? Sitaram, no, I will not use them either. Charulata, so you will not get angry at all? Sitaram, oh, no. Charulata, looks like you're getting angry. Gopal, oh, no, for 40 days, his hands will not use dangerous things. Like a knife, pistol at all, only good work. Charulata, so what are you waiting? Throw him out of the house. Gopal, shush. Sitaram, oh, Gopal, 1,000 rupees? Is it your father's property? Beats him. Chakradhar, God has given you such a giant body, go and work. You have made it a routine, get the hell out of here, move Gopal. You go to your office, Charu. Go and water the tulsi. Gopal, yes, I'm already very late. Sitaram, takes out the knife, listen you guys. Chakradhar, very nice knife. Sitaram, idea change, my puja will start from tomorrow. Chakradhar, so, Sitaram, there will be murder, there will be fights. Listen, I will be back in 10 minutes. I am going to the cow shed. Who will give 1,000 rupees? Decide immediately. Better give it today or, Gopal, his puja will start from today. Charulata, array, call the police, we will turn him in within 2 minutes. Gopal, and out in 1 minute. Chakradhar, yes, they have mutual understanding, as soon as they come he give him money, I'm old, so obey me. Gopal, when he comes back, I will send him to your house. Chakradhar, why to my home? He has asked for money from you. Too. Gopal, you are old person. We are a family. Chakradhar, array, I don't have a single penny. Satyananda, who's there? What is this noise? Gopal, nothing. Sitaram Tiger Punk came to our house. He was asking for 1,000 rupees within 10 minutes. If we failed to give, he will kill all of us. Satyananda, what did you say? Charulata, Tiger is fasting for 40 days, so there will be expenses for puja etc. So every day he will extort money from different houses. If refused, he will kill. Satyanand, oh, that's it, I got scared for nothing. Chakradhar, just touch and check papa. Gopal, he's fine. He is not giving shock. Now keep the jokes aside. Let's talk about cash. Satyananda, what's the matter? Charulata, nothing papa. If you have 1,000 rupees, Satyanand reacts, we will see it and return. Satyanand, array, where is the money? I didn't even have the money to buy a ticket. I came all the way sitting on the toilet seat. I'm wondering how I will go back. Go and drop the telegram. Gopal, idea is good, but don't you think it will be too late? Satyanand, inform that I have reached. Chakradhar, Gopal, just think quickly, before he comes back. Gopal, what if he comes? He will come. How many bananas will go Mata eat? It won't even take 2 minutes. Charulata, let's do one thing. We will request him to take it from the neighbor today. Chakradhar, great idea, but will he understand? Gopal, of course he will understand. He is getting the money. What difference does it make? Who is giving? Chakradhar, wait a minute. I am the one in the neighborhood. Gopal, oh, if not you then your neighbor, right? Charulata, okay then you go and get ready for office. Chakradhar, now see, this is the condition of our country. Someone is extorting money by pulling out a knife, someone is cutting pockets in the name of bribe. Such people must be burnt alive. Satyanand, this should be done to a person who shows the knife, but Why the bribe takers? Nowadays bribe means non-taxable pay, public offers, so they take it. People in office work because of the bribe. Amar, a young boy, enters. Amar, looking here and there and falls in the feet of Chakradhar. Save my Bapus, his condition is very bad, I don't want a job, save him. Chakradhar, who are you? Satyananda, you have not answered me yet, it is a compulsion to take bribe. I think those who don't work even after taking bribe should be burnt alive. Chakradhar, who are you? Amar, I'm Amar, son of Bhurelal. Return the 10,000 he has given, Bapu needs the treatment. Satyanand, oh, how much he thinks about his father, think poor chap, give him 10,000, you can take another case. Chakradhar, array, why are you telling me? I don't even know him. Whom are you looking for? Amar, what's your name? Chakradhar, Amar, to Satyananda, Gopalji, please return my money, I have a letter from your officer, my Bapu is very ill. Chakradhar, reads the letter, dear Gopal, the boy I am sending should not come back, manage. Rest, we will discuss when we meet Balram. Chakradhar, who is this Balaram? Satyanand, Gopal's boss. Chakradhar, to whom did your father pay? Amar, Gopalji, he said that the order will come within 10 days. But nothing has happened, it's been over a month. Hospital, people are saying for an operation. I don't want a job. Just give me money. Chakradhar, did you hear? Your son-in-law grabbed 10,000 in the name of offering a job, he used the officer's name also. Hey, gave the guarantee also. Satyananda, yes, I understand, but why did he send him here? Amar, so you are not Gopal? Chakradhar, oh no, he is Gopal's father-in-law, Gopal is taking a bath. What did this Balaramaji say to you before sending you here? Amar, he was not ready to listen to me, he asked me to meet Gopalji. Please introduce me to Gopalji, I have go to the hospital also. Satyanand, this boy is really innocent. Nowadays who reforms the money back, he does not even know this. Amar, just call him soon, I have to go. Satyanand, Arey Gopal, someone is here to meet you. Charulata, Papa, you called me, who is this boy? Chakradhar, she is Gopalji's wife, say hello, he is Amar. Amar, see, my father had given 10,000 rupees to Gopalji for my job, please return it, I have to go to the hospital. Here is this letter given by his officer. Charulata, 10,000 rupees. Satyanand, the officer asked for a bribe of 10,000 and his father gave money to Gopal. Chakradhar, and now he don't want a job, he wants his money back. Charulata, if the officer has taken the money, then why would Gopal give it? Satyananda, lack of experience. One should not interfere in such cases. Chakradhar, array, call Gopal, he needs to go. After all, only Gopal can tell what the matter is. Charulata, what is your educational qualification? Amar, done BA, I know the typing also. Satyananda, what happened to your father? Amar, I do not know, the coughing has increased. He vomited blood, we took him to the hospital. The doctor said for the operation. Chakradhar, I feel great pity for such people. If my Nimbu was alive, she would have given money immediately. Gopal, who are you, bhai? Chakradhar, he is the Gopal you are looking for. Gopal, say, what do you want? Amar, I have been sent by your officer Balramji. He said collect the money from Gopalji. He gave this letter also. I am son of Bhurelal. Gopal, I will meet you in the office. Amar, your officer has refused me to come to the office. If you give me the money quickly, it will be a great blessing. Gopal, look, I don't know what has happened. I will see you in the office. Amar, I will not go until I get money. My Bapu is taking last breath. Chakradhar, it seems that he is in great trouble. Do not refuse. Satyananda, if you wanted to take the money, that is not the way to take. There is a technique. You are absolutely foolish. Charulata, Papa, you don't need to interfere. If there is a money transaction, he should go to the officer. Satyananda, look, these things are beyond your comprehension. Someone gives and take in the name of donation, in the name of charity. Money flows from one hand to another. Chakradhar, yes, It is an art. Gopal is also such a great artist. I came to know today. Gopal, I do not know anything about this matter. Don't talk nonsense. Chakradhar, so this means you didn't receive anything? Gopal, you guys go do your work, and you meet me outside Balaram's house. Amar, no, I will not go. Give me my money. Gopal, okay, come with me. Charulata, what are we supposed to do if Sitaram Tiger comes? Chakradhar, yes, settle this first and then go. Satyanand, yes. Amar, you go to the office. Gopal will come to office in half an hour. If he fails to turn up, then you can come here. Amar, I will not go. Why should I run to and fro again and again? Refund my money. Gopal, I have been explaining you so lovingly. Your father gave me money. Do you have any proof? Amar, my Bapu is not educated like you people, who will lie. Gopal, go and call him. I don't want to talk to you. Amar, from where? He is lying ill, taking his last breaths in the hospital. Charulata, don't scream loudly here. Shall I call the police? Amar, go call the police, call the newspaper people, call them. I will tell them everything. Charulata, he is so loud, definitely he must have paid, give him the money. Gopal, trust me, I am not involved. Satyananda, I am not able to understand anything. Gopal is saying that he has not taken money and the officer has given the letter. Chakradhar, if you are not able to understand, then how can I? Gopal, it would be better if you don't interfere. Go, do your work. Charulata, you will tell him to go so many times, you think he has no self-respect. He won't stay here for even a minute. Isn't it, uncle? Chakradhar, I come here in the memory of Nimbu. Take care of Tulsi. Gopal, you also go, or will you keep standing here? Go apply balm on your heart. Satyananda, yes, be careful, you must not act hastily in such cases. Come Charu beta. Charulata, you go papa, I will just come. Gopal, listen, your father came to our office for your job. Hey, met Balaramji, he asked for 10,000, your father agreed. I gave that money to Balaramji the very same day. Balaramji promised that within 10 days he will clear the order. I agree, it is taking time but you will get the job. Wait for some time. Amar, I don't want a job now. Gopal, well, then I have to talk to Balaramji, give me some time, come tomorrow. Amar, no, I want money today. Charulata, look, don't shout so loudly, people will listen. Gopal, let them hear what will happen, nowadays everyone takes bribe. Charulata, it mean you have taken the money? Gopal, not a single penny Charu. Get out of here. Amar, what? Am I a beggar? I have given money. Give me my money back. Gopal, don't you understand what I am saying? Get out. Charulata, speak softly, Shashi auntie keeps a watch on us all the time. Gopal, let her listen, I am not afraid of anyone. Go call whomsoever you want to call. Amar, look, don't raise your hand, I can do the same. Gopal, pushes, do whatever you want to. Amar falls, what happened to him? Charu, bring water, fast. Amar, I do not want water. Give money, my Bapu will die. Gopal, I will give you money. Oh my God, is he dead? Charulata, brings water, what happened? Is he fainted? Gopal, he is not unconscious, he is dead. Chakradhar enters. Chakradhar, I am shameless. I have not come to remind you of Tulsi. I left the plier in the kitchen. Why is he lying like this? You didn't touch him, right? Charulata, he asked him to wait outside. Don't know how he fell. Unconscious. Chakradhar, fell or died? Charulata, you are experienced. Just check what happened to him. Chakradhar, it is your matter. You know better. Don't interfere, you said that. Now why should I check him? My Nimbu was also like this. Charulata, oh God, what has happened? Satyananda, what happened? Why is this boy sleeping like this? Chakradhar, when someone dies, he sleeps like this. Satyananda, died? Chakradhar, died. Your Gopal killed him. Charulata, oh, Papa, died means not in real, his heartbeat stopped. Just like that. Satyananda, oh, that's it, okay. Chakradhar, Arey, how come it stopped? Did you hit him? Gopal, no, I did nothing. I told him to wait outside the office. And he fell. Chakradhar, wow, great, life is like a water bubble just touched and he died. He must be shocked. Gopal, array, I did nothing to him. Chakradhar, okay, bring the Panchang, almanac, from home. Satyananda, so much has happened here, and you are concerned about Panchang? Chakradhar, yes, of course you will say like this. This house is mine. If the constellations are not behaving in good manner, then I have to lock this house. Charulata, Chakram uncle, everything is fine here, don't worry. Chakradhar, what to do now? Shall we call the police? Gopal, when murder happens police is called a Bhangra dancer? Satyananda, Chakradhar is right. Why were you in such a haste? What was the need of scramble? Chakradhar, if he gave you 10,000, of course he will ask. If you lose 50 paise, you will not be able to sleep. Charulata, I was already saying, speak softly, but you are least bothered. If somebody comes to know how much infamy it will bring. Gopal, will you keep your mouth shut for a while? Chakradhar, gee, please give some advice. What should be done now? Mr. Chakradhar, aha, ever since you have come to this house, for the first time today you have taken my name with respect. You have done murder. Ha, never mind, but you learnt the manners. Now you are a complete man. Satyanad, murder, don't repeat this word again and again. He is saying that he did nothing. Chakradhar, are you serious? If people started dying due to such small pushing and shoving, dead bodies will come out of Parliament instead of politicians. Gopal, I really did not kill him. Charulata, Papa, calm down, let's keep it highly confidential. Let's dispose him of. Satyanad, yes, but what about if he had informed somebody before coming here? Gopal, he is right. Charulata, you got lured into for 10,000 rupees? Why? Gopal, I have already said I gave all that money to Balaram. Charulata, if you gave it to Balaram, why was he after you? Where is the logic? Satyanand, yes, took 10,000 for a job in return. You have committed a very big crime. Now say, it is a normal thing. Chakradhar, yes, okay, what is there to think about? Spend 2 to 3,000 out of them and get this corpse buried. Gopal, I do not know anything. I did not take money, believe me. Sitaram enters. Sitaram, it seems, you were all waiting for me. I got the bananas, but it took time to find Gomata. Now hurry up. Yes, who will give the money, and who is he sleeping in the center of the house? Chakradhar, sleeping, you mean he is not dead? Sitaram, what do you mean, he is dead? Chakradhar, Swamiji, it happened like this, for the job in return, 10,000 were. Gopal, I didn't take the money, I told you. Charulata, all of you, be quiet, it happened like this boy wanted a job, so 10,000. Sitaram, gave a bribe, then. Gopal, not to me, to my boss, he came here to ask for his money. Sitaram, why was he asking you, if he gave it to him? Chakradhar, we too are not able to understand this. Charulata, he grabbed the money and sent the letter, saying that return the money. Chakradhar, it never happens like this, there has to be something or the other. Gopal, how many times I have to repeat I have taken nothing? Satyanand, even if you have taken, it doesn't matter. I am there for you. Sitaram, just stop it. So this boy came here to ask for the money. And all 4 of you killed him? Chakradhar, I don't know anything. What was I doing at that time? Yes, I was going through my old wedding album. Satyanand, I was sleeping inside, looking at the ceiling, looking at the webs. I thought, what should I do? Clean myself a call. Chakradhar, Gopal, you keep your mouth shut. I tried to explain to him. Pushed him slightly, yes slightly, and he died. Charulata, Swamiji, just check, tell us if he is really dead. Sitaram, where this poor person was born, where he grew up, came here and died. It's too late, no doubt, think something. Charulata, what is left to think now? Dispose him, rest municipality will take care. Satyanand, municipality will obviously care, it is a different matter. But police will not leave. Chakradhar, yes, you are right, one should not react in a hurry in such cases. I want. Satyanand, listen. You are like my younger brother. I'm heart patient. Whatever you want to do, you get it done. These are mere children. Chakradhar, what can I do? It was meant to happen. Stay away, as far as possible from this matter, more the better. Sitaram, okay. Think about it later on. First give me 1,000 rupees. Gopal, I'm not in a position to comprehend. What should I do? Sitaram ji, what is the better thing to do, you suggest? Something to me? Sitaram, what to do? According to me, inform the police. The corpse will be sent for post-mortem, then trial, then punishment. Now the second option, Gopal, tell me, Sitaram, these are all your people. No one will open their mouths. Gopal, no, these are my own people. There is nothing to fear. She my wife, he is my father-in-law and landlord. Chakradhar, only for the name Sake, otherwise family. Today if Nimbu was alive then. Sitaram, shut up, then hide out this corpse. You have to forget what you saw and heard. Charulata, yes Swamiji, let's stay out of legal entangles. Do one thing, leave this corpse in front of Sasikala aunt's house. Then I will see what she does. Chakradhar, yes, wow, and how many people will come to know about this? The men of our neighborhood sleep on the porch like donkeys. Sitaram, think about this later on. Give me 1,000 rupees, I have to cook. Gopal, don't worry about the food. If you stay, we will get encouragement. Charulata, day before yesterday, you came at my door and asked for the pickles. That night, I felt so sad. I couldn't pour my heart out to anyone, so I wrote a letter and called my papa. Isn't it papa? Satyanad, Charu, enough. Sitaramji, tell me what to do. Sitaram, we'll think about it later. As for now, hide the corpse inside. Charulata, I am afraid of dead body, isn't it papa? Satyanand, yes, me too. Gopal, okay, both of you go inside, lock the door. Chakramji, you give me a hand. Chakradhar, no I can't. When Nimbu died I was so scared that I ran away. Came back straight on 13th. I won't be able to do this. Don't take it otherwise. Gopal, okay, forget it. Let me tell you something personal. The boy who arrived was neither her brother nor my brother-in-law. He was a simple journalist. Don't know from where he came to know. He was asking about your Nimbu's death. I asked him to come after some time. Chakradhar, you are joking again. You worry about small things. Let's do our work. Let's raise the corpse. Did you tell anything to that donkey? Gopal, no, nothing. Satyanand, he is scared of the corpse yet he agreed? His screw is loose or what? Charulata, forget it papa. He is a different type of person. Sitaram, he can kill 4 people just like that. Chakradhar, did you see how heavy the corpse has become? If it is not disposed quickly, it will stink. Both of them take the corpse inside. Charulata, where have you kept the corpse? Guess you have not kept it somewhere in the kitchen? Chakradhar, no, in the corner of the bedroom. So Gopal, I will go now. I have to cook. Gopal, yes, go. If Jagan comes and sees you, it will be a mess. By the way, where was Nimbu from? Wasn't she from Meerut? Satyanand, array, from Meerut? Is he not Maya Chand's son-in-law? I heard a long time ago his son-in-law had burnt his daughter to death. Is he the same guy? Sitaram, this decision is not going to be so easy. Give me 1,000 rupees. Chakradhar, this type of blackmailing is not right. Don't worry, I'll stay here. Together we will think how to get rid of this corpse. Charulata, if this decision is made in front of Swamiji, it will be fine. Gopal, yes, Swamiji's. How, when and what should be done? Sitaram, Swamiji will only tell. He will not do anything with his hands. You will have to do it. Gopal, you are an initiation. If you help people like us, then you will get merit. We do not have experience in such matters. Charulata, Swamiji, you are like my brother. Postpone your fast for a day. Start it from tomorrow. Think if your real brother would have done this, wouldn't you not help him? Satyanand, what is your name? Sitaram, same, yes, I am older than you. These are small children. This is their first experience. Help them today and they will do it themselves in the future. Chakradhar, I know, Swamiji is very kind and his heart is like butter. Gopal, please agree, it will be great support. Please, all, please, please, please. Sitaram, okay, I also want to live like a common man for 40 days. Let's do your work too. Charulata, Papa Swamiji has agreed, now we have no fear. Satyananda, what did he agree for? Gopal, no, he didn't just said yes. Satyanand, if you have just said yes, then it is okay. Gopal, see we will both talk later. Yes, Swamiji, now tell me what to do. Sitaram, now it is difficult to dispose the corpse without telling anyone. Must hire a taxi. It will cost 10,000. Gopal, 10,000? Chakradhar, yes, it is difficult to lift the body. Gopal, after that, Sitaram, 2 or 3 Brahman type men, who can keep their mouths shut. Gopal, yes, I'm here, father-in-law and Chakradhar uncle. Satyananda, Arey Gopal, I can't help it. I'm too old, you and Chakradhar can manage it. Chakradhar, now, you can think whatever you want, I will not do it. This procession in the cabs and buses with the corpses beyond my limit. Charulata, listen, at what time have you called Jagan? Chakradhar, yes, when he comes, send him to me for 10 minutes. I have to talk to him about what has happened here. Gopal, oh, you are threatening me, so let's go to the police and tell everything. Together we will grind the mill in the prison, and if we get more time, we will also play cards. Are you ready? Sitaram, both of you manage it. I am going. Charulata, don't go. Gopal and Uncle Ji, both of you please fight later on. First finish this important work. Gopal, you have told 10,000 for the taxi and 3 men. If you can arrange. Sitaram, I will do it. It will take 5 to 5,000. Charulata, 10,000 for taxi, 5 to 5,000 for men, total 15,000. Gopal, our condition is in front of you. Give us discount in the name of God. Chakradhar, Swamiji, you are in initiation, you will definitely give us discount in the name of God. Sitaram, oh no, not a penny less, 10,000 for a taxi, and 5,000 for 3 men, and what if they open their mouth? Then there will be a lot of trouble. In such types of jobs, trust is valued more than money. Satyananda, listen Sitaram, I told you murder has been done for the first time, do this work in 10,000 and next time I will give you as much as you want. Sitaram, do you know what you are saying? Satyanand, I am saying, get all the work done in 10,000. Sitaram, no, what about my cut? You do not know the market rate here. Here you get 1,000 for threats, 2,000 for touching, 3 to 4,000 for pulling out hands and feet, and 10,000 for throwing stones on buses. Nowadays, and here the matter is totally different. Satyanand, every party has its own rate, they also have funding. Charulata, we are just living on his salary. Where can we get so much money? Sitaram, no, it won't work. This is not my rate, but my union's rate. Tell me if you can afford. Satyanand, quiet, all silent nowadays, no one cares for old people. In our times, if there was a murder or marriage, one used say, and others used to listen. Okay, 10,000 for taxi, and 2,000 for 3 men, total 12,000, not more than that. Now bring a taxi, take the corpse and I will get you the money. That's it. No one will speak now. Sitaram, try to understand. Satyananda, nothing left to understand. Sitaram, okay, it will take a lot of time to dispose of the corpse. It will be very late, therefore the driver will take 500 rupees. Satyananda, we have got nothing to do with that. You will get 12,000 that too, after completing the work. Sitaram, I will not be able to save a single penny. I will go and call 3 men. They will bring a taxi. What is the address? Chakradhar, K 2008 420th, Old Street, New Fort, Fateh Mohalla. Sitaram, okay, I will tell. Exits. Satyanand, why are you looking here and there? Gopal, bring the money. Gopal, okay, where is the key of your suitcase? Satyanand, now why do you need it? Gopal, if you have a suitcase, you must be having the key also. Satyanand, you mean I will give the money? Gopal, if you have made a settlement, then you will pay the money. Satyanand, it's been over a week or so, I haven't seen a 100 rupee note, I have no money, this is the perfect time, I am explaining it to you, it is not good to be such a big head. You are unnecessarily picking fights with everyone. Chakradhar, you have explained a very good thing, no respect for elders, neither sees big nor small, blurts whatever comes in the mouth. Woe betide somebody. Charulata, Chakram uncle, let us finish this work. These things can be discussed later. Chakradhar, yes, when did I refuse? Charulata, Gopal, no need to fear anymore. Uncle Ji has agreed. Chakradhar, ain't you talking about money? Gopal, forgive me, knowingly or unknowingly if I have said anything to you by mistake, don't keep it in your heart. Please arrange a small amount of money, within 10 to 15 days. Chakradhar, you will return. Now where will I find so much money in my house? I am not a millionaire. These are all your relatives, take out whatever you have. Gopal, how many times have I told you that I gave that money to the officer? Charulata, so what shall we do now? Gopal, okay, all the people in the world are the same, they just give free advice, no one supports. Everyone is afraid. Father-in-law may give up but my work will not stop. Charulata, don't you worry, God listens to everyone. He is the one who made this murder happen, he will show the way. Gopal, you are right, something has to be done. Charulata, how do you talk? I will take Papa inside and talk to him. Gopal, no, need to do that, give your Mangal Sutra. Charulata, what did you say? You will sell my Mangal Sutra to dispose the corpses. Have you heard of this before? Gopal, heard, now you will see that in future also, give it to me. Satyananda, listen Chakram, tell me which is the constellation today? Chakradhar, today it is Dashmi Shukravar, and whole day. Satyananda, Dashmi Shukravar, don't give your Mas Sutra even, by mistake. Gopal, otherwise what will happen? Satyananda, do you remember Charu, my father, your grandfather, sold your grandmother's Mangal Sutra for electricity connection? Charulata, yes, and after 10 to 15 days, he died due to electric shock. Gopal, you mean one who sells Mangal Sutra on Dasham dies? I am ready. Satyanand, but we are not ready. Gopal, is this your answer too? Charulata, yes, I don't want to lose you. Gopal, if you don't, I will go to jail. Charulata, it is better to see husband go to jail rather than seeing him dead. No matter how angry you are, I will not give. Gopal, wife, children, mother and father are all the same. Everyone alienates when there is small problem. If a man was not so selfish, he would have become a great saint. Like Valmiki. Chakradhar, you also wanted to write a book, you will get a lot of time to write in jail. Gopal, never mind, I will arrange the money myself. Chakradhar, okay then hurry up Sitaram. Satyanand, now tell me what is the plan of action? Gopal, I have my mother's silver plate. I will sell it. Goes inside. Charulata, Papa, Gopal seems to be really angry. Satyananda, don't you worry, the anger of such men does not last long. I am there, if something happens, I will take care of it. Chakradhar, now you will suffer for such small things? I am there. Charulata, you are very intelligent. Not like my Nimbu, she was very innocent. Sitaram enters. Sitaram, Om, what happened? Is the money ready? Chakradhar, men and car all set? Isn't it uncle? Call your son-in-law. Jagannath enters. Jagannath, hello, good morning to you all again. To Sitaram, well, you are also here? My name is Jagannath. I am a journalist. Remember something? Satyananda, are you a journalist? Array, why didn't you tell me earlier? Chakradhar, why have you come here again? Come on, get out. Charulata, take this donkey out of here. Sitaram, have you heard? Everyone is asking why have you come here. It will be good if you tell the truth. Jagannath, okay, I'll tell you. But before that you tell me about the mess that happened at the local liquor furnace. I have heard you have minted a lot of money. Is it true? Satyananda, what is this? He is in our distant relationship. Chakradhar, don't get into the relationships. It's not almonds, pistachios. Charu, Papa, don't talk for a while. I will tell you everything later. And you, will you go on your own or should we thrash you out? Jagannath, okay, I will leave, but remember one thing. I am not going to give up on killers and thieves so easily. I will come again. You have already heard about Sita Ram. That he is selling a lot of liquor by bluffing the police? Comrades, Gopal enters disheveled. Gopal, Charu, Charu. Satyananda, what happened? Why are panicking? Gopal, inside. The corpse is moving. I have it, seen with my own eyes. Jagannath, corpse, where is it? Let's go and see. Gopal, Jagannath, you? Jagannath, yes, let's see. Chakradhar, Gopal, first throw him out. Satyananda, fine, but corpse is moving? What is all this? I am not able to understand anything. Charulata, there is nothing like it. Papa, how can there be a corpse in our house? There is a drama happening in his office. He is rehearsing for it, that's all. Gopal, oh, no, there is no drama. I do not know what is happening. I opened the almirah to take out the silver plate and saw that corpse was moving. Jagannath, don't be afraid. Let's take a look. Chakradhar, there is no need. We will see. You get out. Charulata, will you go or you want Sitaramji to knock you out? Satyananda, so he is not our relative? That is what I was thinking. How come this hairy bear born to that baldy? Sitaram, wait, relax, think, Jagannath must have known all about us by now. There is no benefit in hiding, but it will not be right to tell him the whole thing. Jagannath, is there another case of liquor? Sitaram, number, this is their own case. Satyanand, array, first check out what Gopal has seen, find the truth. If that boy is alive, then we need not fear this Jagannath. What do you say, Gopal? Chakradhar, I don't like this guy at all. First throw him out, immediately. Gopal, Daddy is right. But I am afraid. One of you go in and see. Sitaram, okay, it is important not only for us but for Jagannath. Also, let's find out whether there is a corpse inside or there is a living man. That is why both of us will go inside and see. Jagannath, no need to do that. I trust you guys. Sitaram, Abe, they don't trust people like you and me. So both of us will go and check. Jagannath, okay, let's go. Sitaram and Jagannath both go inside. Chakradhar, Gopal, I have told you already. It would not be good if you tell that donkey about my wife and her death. Array, I don't understand. She was my wife, whether I beat her or hit her. Why do you object? If I break or crash my stuff, what has that got to do with you? Satyanand, you, wife is not a color TV or any household item. She is an individual who is alive. You have extinguished the lamp of the house. You will never get peace. This is my curse, insects in your mouth. You will be annihilated. You will crave for drop of water. You will go to hell. Your, Charulata, Papa. Okay, enough. Gopal, you relax. We don't have to pass a verdict on his wife's death. Chakradhar, that's what. Sitaram comes. Sitaram, to Gopal, what you saw is not true. He is dead. Chakradhar, good. Gopal, do you understand? That's why now stop talking and carry on with the work. Gopal, really? Are you sure? But what I saw, well, where is that Jagannath? Sitaram, that scoundrel was examining the corpse very closely. Therefore, I tied him and threw him there only. Chakradhar, why inside? Sitaram, you, Om. Chakradhar, Swamiji, have pity on us, knock him out. Charulata, yes, Swamiji, he has seen the corpse. Who is he? How did he die? When did he die? Who killed him? If we keep answering his questions, what will happen to us? Satyananda, don't worry, beta. We will tell him a good story. Sitaram, no use, these journalists don't believe in our stories so easily. They will keep investigating until they dig out the truth. Gopal, so, what to do now? By the way, he needs information about the murder of Chakradharji's wife. If we tell him about that, Chakradhar, go ahead and tell. Let me also see what you will tell. After that I will also tell the whole story. Everything that happened here. Charulata, yes, Gopal, just think what will happen if the people Come to know about this, our respect, honor, the court, case above all. Sitaram, your job will also go respectfully and you will be sentenced for 14 years. Prepare yourself for jail. Satyanand, with this deteriorating heart disease at this age, I cannot. Take care of your wife, the rest is your wish. Just think. Gopal, shut up, shut up. You are speaking as if everything has already happened. Sitaram, Sitaram, you. Om. Gopal, I mean, Swamiji. My mind is not working. What should we do? Sitaram, yes, we all have to think together and come out clean. Otherwise you and I, all will land up in the jail. Chakradhar, so Swamiji, he is also a speck of your eyes? Sitaram, not only that but he is a gun aimed on me. He was questioning me about my scams. I guess, he must have learned a lot by now. Chakradhar, then what to do? This guy turned out to be a big danger? Sitaram, not a big danger, he is a great danger. Letting him go free means leaving the lion out of the cage. Today he will write about murder, tomorrow about the death of your wife, then about your bribe exploits in his paper. Then along with the honor everyone will have to die. Just think, Gopal, so, what should we do now, Swamiji? Sitaram, listen carefully. Jagannath has to be killed. Gopal, another murder? Charulata, another corpse? Satyanad, what is happening murder after murder? Charu, Sitaram, you, Om, all of you keep your mouth shut. It is important. Jagannath must die or he will kill us. Satyanand, I am feeling scared. Gopal, how can we take life like this? Chakradhar, if we have to live, we have to kill him. Is there any other option? Charulata, Swamiji, only you can show us the way. Sitaram, okay, I am thinking on behalf of all of us, listen carefully. Killing that Jagannath is like a religious program for all of us, which means everyone will do one thing. I will go to that room and kill him by strangling him. I will have nothing to do with the program that follows. See you all, okay? Gopal, oh, good, it's difficult to kill someone, but the rest of the work is a game of our left hand. Isn't it, Charu? Daddy? Satyananda, left right? What are you talking, Gopal? Speak thoughtfully. Anyway, it has nothing to do with me. Chakradhar, listen, just think, Gopal, what uncle is saying. Disposing one corpse was already so difficult to tackle, now hiding out two corpses? Don't drag me into this. The rest is your wish. Sitaram, don't worry about the disposal of corpses. Today lot of people have died. They drank adulterated liquor. There is a pile of corpses in the government hospital. I will carry both the corpses and leave them there. That's my job. Now don't think anything, just go and kill Jagannath. Leave the rest up to me. I will not take a penny and will do all the work for free. Charulata, yes, Gopal, uncle is right. Think with a cool mind. Drink some cool water. Gopal, so that means it is difficult to dispose of the corpse. That is why it is okay to kill Jagannath. Is it not? Chakradhar, say yes. Strengthen your heart. Satyananda, do it, Gopal. This is better than playing with corpses. Charulata, Papa, uncle is also with us. Chakradhar, Charulata, you are. Sitaram, array, the corpse is hidden in the house and you are talking so comfortably. Don't you feel ashamed? Okay, listen all of you, Jagannath has to die. Together we will kill Jagannath. Rest everything free. Charulata, listen, Papa, Swamiji will do everything for free. Satyananda, yes, I heard. My ears are blessed. Gopal, if all the work is done for free, then we can kill any number of people. Chakradhar, so Swamiji, is this also a discount in the name of God? Sitaram, shut up, you thief. You and me, we are all thieves, riding in the same cart. If someone like Jagannath comes in our way, wipe him out of the way and move on. Are you guys ready? Gopal, but Swamiji is killing one more man, just like that. Charulata, array, you are so faint-hearted. Papa, where did you find this timid man? Okay, if you are so scared, then you just grab the boy's wrist. Chakradhar, uncle. Chakradhar, will kill? Why should I help you in this auspicious work? Sitaram, because if he stays alive, he will write about your wife's death in the newspaper and you will die in lockup. Chakradhar, Swamiji, Sitaram, that's why you keep your mouth shut, and not only you, but everybody will keep their mouth shut, or else I will shut everyone's mouth. Not one, not two, 4 corpses will come out from here, absolutely free. Now tell me who will do what? Satyanand, you know about me Gopal, don't you? Gopal, I don't know anything. Satyanand, Swamiji, I hold your feet, give me the task of holding his feet. Charulata, then I will press his mouth. Gopal, then I will hold his hand tightly. Chakradhar, now what is left? Neck, I always get this duty to stifle my bitter luck. Sitaram, Om. Chakradhar, okay, I will do that. Sitaram, now, listen to the plan. Suddenly this old man will have a heart attack. Chakradhar, Gopal was telling that his heart is missing. Satyanand, as if you have a big heart and you love your wife very much. Gopal, will you sit silently? Swamiji, you continue. Sitaram, yes, so, this old man will have a heart attack, we will all get nervous, then I will go in and bring Jagannath out. Of course he will ask what happened, but nobody will say anything and start weeping and whining. The moment you get an opportunity, all 4 of you will grab his legs, hands, mouth and rest will stifle. Once the plug is pulled, I will bring a taxi and the rest of the work is mine. You need not worry after that. Gopal, okay, but Chakradhar, yes, ask, but Swamiji. Sitaram, if anyone has any doubt, ask and clarify now. 1 slightest mistake and you will be sabotaged. Charulata, Papa, you are an elder, first you ask. Satyanand, I will ask. Beti, I will ask. I am waiting for that time. Okay, let me ask. Forgive me, Gopal, I was a fool, I came here. Now at this age, blood robbery, willy-nilly, I can't do it. Chakradhar, uncle, small correction, you have to commit murder, not willy-nilly, and we will not bother you unnecessarily. Gopal, Swamiji was saying that if there is any doubt, we can discuss. There is no time for apologies and all. Now get ready. Swamiji, we are ready. Sitaram, okay, put this old man to sleep here and you all start weeping. Satyananda, how to act for heart disease? Gopal, no need to act, do as it is what you are already doing, ever since you came here. Satyanand, that's it, just wait. Betty, my heart. Chakradhar, the idiot who has heart disease, never shouts so loudly. Satyanand, if you abuse me like this, I will get angry, and if I get angry then I will not have heart attack, rest is up to you. Gopal, abuse but with some dignity. Sitaram, Om. Charulata, Papa, how can you leave us like this? If mummy comes, what will I say? Satyanand, tell her not to spend uselessly on Godan Wodan. Charulata, okay, you go to sleep. Carry on. Chakradhar, whatever, this old man is useless and will do anything for money. Satyanand, Swamiji he is abusing me again. Gopal, Papa, you sleep. Let me tell you the real thing, he was really like my father, he loved me so much. I asked him this morning, Papa, you look pale, what will you have for breakfast? Chakradhar, yes, I had also told him in the morning, Bhai, stay with Gopal for 10 to 15 days, then come and stay with me, but what did I know that day will come today? Satyanand, yes, now I am enjoying, sleeping like dead, don't you worry. Order a nice breakfast after this, and don't worry, I will stay with you also for 2-4 months. Sitaram, first class, all is well, keep it up, carry on, I'm going to bring him. Goes inside. Gopal, Charu, I never thought of such a disaster even in my dreams. Charulata, even I never imagined. Should have lived at least 3-4 days. Who knew this would happen? Chakradhar, Gopal, let bygones be bygones. Now how long will you keep the corpse at home? We'll have to do something quickly. Satyanand, corpse? To whom you are calling a corpse? I have already told you not to abuse me. Charulata, don't worry, Papa, just close your eyes and ears for 10 minutes. Gopal, oh, I thought I would serve you for 10 more days, but you, my hopes. Charu, what do we say? Chakradhar, shattered, my hope. Oh, how much love, and how much How much? Charulata, use the words, you know, and weep. Don't use the words, you don't know, unnecessary improvisation, and we don't even have an English dictionary. Satyanand, what are you doing? You are crying in old fashion. Stop this old record, Daddy. Papa, weep in some new style, so that even dead person can enjoy. Gopal, okay, I will try my best, you go to sleep. This old man chose my own house to die. Now who will bear the cost of this? Chakradhar, array, he loved his children so much, that's why he came here and died. He was saying not to waste money. So call the municipality, they will take my corpse. Like dogs and cats. Gopal, you are very lucky, it is difficult to find another father-in-law like him. Charulata, another? What do you mean? Gopal, shut up, Charu. We all have to leave one day. Sooner or later. Chakradhar, we have been crying for so long, and where is Tiger? Gopal, true, that's what I am thinking. It seems they have come. Start. Sitaram enters. Sitaram, shut up, stop crying and weeping. Chakradhar, why do we need to increase our volume? Don't take it on your heart, we are bit out of rhythm. Gopal, what happened? Where is Jagannath? Sitaram, he fled. Charulata, he ran away. How? Chakradhar, we are sitting here. How did he run away? Sitaram, through the window. Satyananda, so can I wake up now? Gopal, yes, wake up. He ran away, he understood our plan, he saw the corpse in the room, then looked at us and ran out through the window. Now he will come with the police in 10-15 minutes. Gopal, so what do we do now? Sitaram, you and all of you think about it together. I am going. But remember one thing, if any of you blurts out my name in front of the police, I will finish the puja, then I'll finish you all. Gopal, Swamiji, Swamiji, if the police is coming here, then who will stay here? Sitaram, but you are the one who committed this murder. What will they say? What you will hear? Face it together. I have nothing to do with that. Satyanand, all right, he ran away, good for me, otherwise I would have been stuck in this matter. Betty, if I will go to the bus stand, will I get the last bus? Okay, do one thing, sign this paper. Charulata, sign? Why, Papa? Gopal, if I go to jail, he will not bear the expenses of your roti. This is what is written in there. Satyanand, you are very funny, you are going to end up in jail still. You are joking. Oh, nothing, Betty, these are property papers. You know our lawyer, he asked for your signatures. Gopal reads, oh, this is the matter, it is written that you will have no right on his property. Satyanand, yes, just sign it, rest I will see. Charulata, no, I will not. On the one hand, husband is going to jail, and on the other hand, father is evicting me from the property. What will happen to me? Chakradhar, what is the value of your entire property? Just asking. Gopal, maybe around 10 or 20 lakhs. So Daddy, Charu will not get anything, she will give it by herself. That's all, is it? Satyanand, yes, that's all. If you help me do this work, then you are my God, not my son-in-law. Charulata, I will give my life, but I will not sign it. Gopal, Charu, stop, I will get you her signatures, but you have to do one thing for me. Satyananda, what can I do for you? I am sick myself, above all heart attack. Anyways, I will try. Tell me, what do you want me to do? Charulata, whatever you two are talking, I have nothing to do with that. I will not sign. Satyananda, Betty, if you behave like this, where will your papa go? I will give you 5-10,000 rupees, you sign it. Charulata, no, I don't want anything, I will not sign. Gopal, yes, we don't want money. Satyanand, then what do you want? Gopal, nothing, it's a murder case, just take it on your head. Satyanand, what? Accept the allegation and go to jail. Charulata, still I will not sign. Chakradhar, Gopal, your mind is amazing, what an idea. Your brain is not a brain but a current of 440 volts. The idea is not bad. What do you say, Satyanand bhai? Satyanand, I have to go to jail, and what if I got hanged? Chakradhar, hanged? There are so many scammers and rapists in and out of jail. So far nothing has happened, yet they are still Alive. If you killed this unclaimed boy, you will not be hanged or even put in jail. Gopal, even if you go to jail, it will be only for 1, 2, 3 years. You are very old man, suffering from heart disease, and have done the murder for the first time. So as a senior citizen, they will leave you on Gandhi Jayanti, in fact drop you at home. Satyanand, if it doesn't happen? Gopal, don't worry, it will happen. Charulata, I will not sign, I will not. Gopal, Charu, come here once. Both go off stage. Satyananda, hey listen, wait, let me think a little bit, what is going on? Chakradhar, they are husband and wife, anything is possible? Don't worry, I too will keep coming in, for 2 to 3 years. Satyananda, I am dying my death, no need to advise me. Hearing all this, what will my wife think, what will she say? Chakradhar, bhai, there is a request before you think about your wife. Tell Gopal do not talk about my wife and her death again. And again. Gopal and Charu enters. Gopal, I have persuaded your daughter to sign it, she's just waiting for you. She got emotional and agreed. She doesn't want anything in your property. Are you ready? Satyananda, ready for what? But I have killed someone. Will people believe it? Gopal, absolutely. Why not? There is no age limit for the murderer. You have to just say yes. Chakradhar, you are old, your daughter and son-in-law will live happily. Now what more do you want than their happiness? Your money is still saved. Charulata, Papa, we left millions of properties just like that, and you can't even go to jail for me? Satyananda, okay, but you have to give it in writing, now. Then Gopal, you should also give it in writing now, that you are confessing your crime. Chakradhar, very good, hurry up, all this paperwork must finish before the police comes, then everyone can go to their home. Charulata, yes, why not? Chakradhar uncle will also sign as witness. Gopal, yes, the signature of the witness will be like sprinkling water on the wall of lime. Chakradhar, I will not sign it so easily, you will also have to give in writing that I have not killed my Nimbu and you will not mention it anywhere. Write it, then only I will sign as a witness. Satyananda, okay, he is an idiot, write it, his hearts will also get some relief. Charulata, yes, Chakradhar uncle is an equal partner in everything we do. Gopal, okay everyone, take out your paper pen. Charulata, Papa, your handwriting is very poor, so try to write neatly. And Gopal, your English is very good, you should write in Hindi only. Satyanand, I am giving up all the property rights, I am legally entitled to read it properly and sign it. To Charulata, Gopal, I have killed this boy named Amar with my own hands in a fit of anger because of old enmity. Read it properly and sign it. To Satyananda, Chakradhar, I will never mention about the death of late Nirmala Chakradhar in any form to anyone anywhere, if done, will pay a fine of 25,000 rupees. Sign it without reading. To Gopal, Daddy, you are the eldest of all, so take the name of God and sign it. They say first you to each other. Chakradhar, this is not going anywhere. I have to leave before the police arrives. Charu, uncle, wait a minute. Papa, let's do one thing, we will all sign together. Gopal, okay, I don't mind. Satyananda, yes. Chakradhar, okay, take your papers ready, 1, 2, 3, go sign. Jagannath enter. Jagannath, hello, good morning to you all again. Gopal, you, where is the police? Jagannath, what do we have to do with the police? Chakradhar, we, look how he is projecting affinity. Charulata, then why did you come back? Jagannath, so you mean, I jumped out from the window and then why did I come back? Very simple, I have come to take this corpse. Satyanand, you want a corpse? I will give you rickshaw fare, take it away soon. Chakradhar, no one needs you, neither we nor the corpse, leave right now. Gopal, right now. Jagannath, if I don't then you will kill me, but no one will buy my corpse for 1 lakh rupees. Satyananda, 1 lakh, so it means for 1 lakh rupees that boy's corpse. Jagannath, the party is ready to buy. Now tell me who killed him? You, or you. Satyanand, no, I have killed him. Look at this paper, I have given it in writing. Now tell us who will give 1 lakh, when will he give, why will he give? Charulata, Papa, do not hustle, you are a heart patient, you will get 1 lakh rupees for killing someone. Chakradhar, I think it does not worth that much. Jagannath, well, if you are not sure, then give that useless corpse to me. Gopal, no, unless and until the police comes and arrests the perpetrator, nobody will touch the corpse. Satyanand, I told you that the corpse is mine, I have killed it, I agree. You can take it. Jagannath, thank you sir, really you are God to me. I never even imagined that I will win a lottery in my life so soon. Satyanand, array, what is he saying? He is taking the corpse away and he is so happy as if he has found some treasure. Betty, there is something fishy. Chakradhar, yes, I too have the same feeling. Gopal, do not let him touch the corpse until the whole matter is clear, because if he is telling the truth, then it is not about 1 or 2,000, it is 1 lakh rupees, will have to think. Jagan, tell me clearly what the matter is. You will get the corpse only when we believe you. Jagannath, okay, listen, this boy's name is Amar, his father's name is Bhurelal. They are very poor people. His father used to work in a zamindar's house. He helped him in his education, and suddenly he got sick. And the doctors said that the kidney will have to be changed. Only then he will be able to survive. Gopal, so this means that if we give this corpse, they will use this boy's kidney and he will survive. Jagannath, absolutely right and true. It is a coincidence that the blood group of this boy and zamindar is same, so he is ready to pay 1 lakh rupees. Chakradhar, but how do you know all these things? Jananath, I know that zamindar and I already knew this boy Amar, and if I know about your Nimbu, then it is not a big thing to know about this boy. When I saw him in that room, I thought of zamindar and ran out through the window. I have settled everything. Now will you believe me? Gopal, my God, 1 lakh for the corpse. Charulata, Gopal, go to the market fast and bring ice and naphthalene tablets. Satyanand, don't bother Gopal for small things. I am here. I will bring flower garland too, if you say. Gopal, well, you have told everything but you haven't told the name and whereabouts of the zamindar. Jagannath, what will I get if I tell you the name and address? Chakradhar, so you also want a share in this 1 lakh? Jagannath, I want my share. If I wouldn't have come back and informed everything, then you would have paid and disposed him. We all know that Gopal killed that boy. And I brought the good news, then I deserve the share. Give 35,000 to both of us and divide the remaining 30 amongst yourself. Satyananda, absolutely right, I am fine with the share distribution. But one thing, what if you take away this corpse so far? And this corpse proves to be useless, then my heart will sink. Gopal, okay, now tell the address. Jagannath, I have made all the arrangements. We will go out and call the zamindar, he will send an ambulance, meanwhile bring the corpse here. Satyanand, it's like going to the bank and taking money. The only difference is going to bring corpses instead of check book. Jagannath, okay, I will call and come. Exit. Chakradhar, Gopal, let's bring the corpse here. What are you thinking? Gopal, I wonder whether I should be happy to save the zamindar's life or feel sorry for taking a boy's life. Satyananda, don't worry about that. Remember one thing, no matter how many poor people die, but the life of one rich person is being saved. We must feel happy, and that should be our goal. Chakradhar, this the first time you have said something intelligent. Charulata shouts, ghost, run. Amar, I'm Amar, I'm not a ghost. Sir, I am Amar, don't know why I slept in that room? I am asking you, sir. Sir, Gopal, so it means you are not dead? Amar, no sir. Chakradhar, Gopal, is he really alive? Just check his feet, are they reversed? Gopal, Charu, where are you? Well, here you are. I am so happy. He is alive. I have not killed anyone. Charulata, really, he is not a ghost. Gopal, no, he not a ghost, really alive. I am not a killer, I am Happy. Amar, sir, please give me my money. I have to save my Bapu. Chakradhar, Gopal, have a look at your father-in-law, seems he is gone. Gopal, gone where? I don't care if he is gone. I'll live happily. Daddy, are you okay? Satyanand, I am feeling very sorry. Charulata, Papa, what are you talking about? Amar, sir, I am feeling bit dizzy. If I get money, I will go. Gopal, well, I will give you money for sure. I will just freshen up. Will be right back. I will sell my mother's silver plate and give you money. Amar, thank you, sir. Chakradhar, Gopal, are you out of your mind? You are happy and I have lost the whole 1 lakh. Looks like close but no cigar. Satyananda, looks like my lottery ticket flew in the air. My time is running bad. Charulata, Gopal, will you really sell that plate? Gopal, yes, I want peace. I don't care about gold and silver. Charulata, so Papa, please return that paper to me. Satyananda, no, not at all. You wrote it when I took the allegation on my head. Now if he turns out to be alive, what is my fault? Chakradhar, correct, this is the right time. Anyone can kill anyone. Uncle is ready to go to jail. Satyanand, yes, agreement is agreement. Chakradhar, Gopal, just think cool-headedly, if this boy dies again. There is 1 lakh and there is a man, ready to accept the crime. Satyananda, and above all, we can save the Zamindar, who saves 10 lives. Charulata, tell me what is your take on this? Gopal, no need to do that. I know all of you are trying to find an excuse, in the name of saving Jamidar's life just for 1 lakh rupees and want this boy to be. No, I don't agree with you. It's okay if something happens by mistake. But I cannot do it intentionally. I am not fanatic who can take life for money. Charu, you go inside, goes inside. Charulata, so Papa, you won't give that paper? Satyananda, no. Charulata, you betrayed your daughter. You too will be completely annihilated. Chakradhar, uncle, yes, bhai, look, she's your daughter. If she cries, then it will be your lose. Grant her wish. Satyananda, you mean to say that I leave the property worth 1 lakh and tear the paper? Chakradhar, when did I say this? Think and find another way to earn this 1 lakh. Satyanand, what do you mean? Amar, sir, I misunderstood Gopalji. He is a very sincere person. He agreed to give money to save my Bapu. Chakradhar, yes, he will give money, but Charu will be very sad. Satyananda, alright, do whatever you want. Sell the plate and cry. I am done. I am going. Chakradhar, okay, if you don't care, then I will do something as a landlord. Amar, I will give you money. Satyanand, okay, you are talking about this help. I can do this too. Amar, I will give you money. Chakradhar, array, uncle, leave him, I will pay. Satyananda, no, he came to our house. I will give the money. Amar, sir, please leave me already. My health is bad and don't hit me. Satyananda, very good, I heard what you said. Let's do 50 to 50. Amar, so will you both pay money together? Chakradhar, yes, we will give you the money. Together, tell us one thing, what is the name of that Zamindar who helped you? Amar, do you know him too? Writes the name and address. Chakradhar, uncle, our work is done. We got the name and address. Let's finish this story before Jagannath comes. Amar, what do you mean? Chakradhar, oh, nothing. The Zamindar who helped you is ill. He is admitted in a hospital. If you die, your kidneys will be given him. Satyananda, we will kill you and divide half. Amar, sir, what have I done to you? Chakradhar, if someone is giving lakhs for your corpse, how can you stay alive? Satyananda, if we will spare you, Jagannath will kill you. Amar, no sir, I don't want money. Amar tries to save himself. They run after him. Chakradhar, now the decision has been made. After the decision, hey, work cannot be stopped. What will you do by living? Die and be happy. The death of a poor person is no less than marriage. Bhai, no time to play. End this. Amar struggles and dies. Chakradhar, I am going to get a taxi. If Gopal comes. Gopal enters. Gopal, what is happening here? He fainted again. Amar, Satyanand, this time he is really dead. Gopal, You mean dead? You killed him. Chakradhar, now this corpse belongs to us. Gopal, what type of people you are? Killed a boy for money? Chakradhar, earlier we thought that you killed him by mistake, now we deliberately killed him, not much difference. Satyananda, if we wouldn't have killed him, Jagannath would have killed and would have taken all the money alone. Gopal, I'm not getting anything. Charu, feels dizzy. Jagannath, hello, everyone seems to be waiting for me. I was ready to sell my faith for the money, but my bad luck. Chakradhar, what does it mean? Satyananda, speak up. Jagannath, Zamindar passed away a while ago. Now we don't need this corpse. Gopal, you have not killed Amar, you have killed both goodness and humanity. Oh God, for sheer selfish reasons man has forgotten all love and kindness. Human beings are turning into demons for money. Don't forgive us, don't forgive. Humans no, monsters. The end. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.